Hey there guys, welcome to Case's double box break number 58 of 12-13 Upper Deck Artifacts. So last time ended was Edmonton Oilers on November 20th at 7:36 p.m. 7 p.m. Eastern Time. 7:36 p.m. Eastern Time. So current eBay date time, refresh. So current eBay date time is Tuesday, November 20th at 7:14 p.m. Pacific. And Tuesday, November 20th at 10:14 p.m. Eastern Time. Just almost 3 hours since the break ended. So back to our auction. So the two serial numbers we're doing, or two box serial numbers we're doing tonight, NE189558360 and 189557511. So forward to our boxes. First one, 189558360. Sealed. And our second one, 189557511. Sealed. Okay, so I'll show you guys serial numbers one more time for each box. And good luck. So we'll start with box 7511. So good luck, guys. Box. Move you guys a little closer so the lighting doesn't get so bad. Okay, so here we go. So we got Sapphire of Derek Roy out of 85 for the Sabres. Skipping on my screen. Base. We got Brett Hall jersey for the St. Louis Blues, 65 of 125. Yes. Autofacts of John Moore for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Patch. Yes. We got dual Tundra tandems of Henrik Zetterberg and Johan Franzen, 17 of 36. Wrong pile. Yes. We got goalie serial number or goalie insert Johnny Bauer for the Toronto Maple Leaf, $9.99. We got Che Genoa for the Minnesota Wild, $9.99. So I got Dustin Tokarski, Team Canada, which is going to Tampa Bay Lightning, $9.99. We got Tyson Barrie, rookie on $9.99 for the Colorado Avalanche. 2 packs left in box 1. Rookie redemption for the Florida Panthers. Decoy base. Last pack of box 1. And we got Frozen Fabrics of Alex Ovechkin for the Washington Capitals. I don't see a serial number. No serial number. Okay. And box 2. 8360. Empty box. We got Sapphire of Zach Kassian. Or no, that's not. Or yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Sapphire out of 85. Zach Kassian, Team Canada, which is going to the Vancouver Canucks. Base. Got dual jersey of Rene Bourque, 125 for the Montreal Canadiens. Dual jersey. One case. So we got Kobe Roback, Emerald rookie, 99 for the Panthers. So we got goalie insert for the Nashville Predators, a Pekka Rinne, $9.99. And we got rookie of Matt Clark for the Anaheim Ducks, $9.99. We got rookie redemption for the Carolina Hurricanes. We got dual jersey, 3 color for Sam Gagner. A little more colorful here. Treasured swatches. No serial number though. I don't think. No. Oilers. And we got Autofax of Maxime Leperrier for the Vancouver Canucks. Patch here. And dual patch for the New Jersey Devils of Ilya Kovalchuk and Zach Parise. 16 of 36, whole whopping 1 colors on both. I only think they'd be a little bit more colorful. And last pack of the break. You got Team Canada, Brendan Morrill, which is to the Dallas Stars, $9.99. Okay, so that concludes the break, and I don't think we don't have any randoms to do. And tomorrow we got certified single certified coming out of fresh case, and more cup, and football prominence ending for tomorrow. And that, thanks as always, guys.